Hello, everyone. My name is Nicholas Miller. I'm also known as that teacher from Texas on Teachers Pay Teachers. And today I'm just going to preview a resource that I'm adding to the store. Basically, the goal of this resource is to help students use different sentence styles and structures when they go to write their expository essays. So the the student example that we're looking at today has a student arguing that recess is the best time, our best thing about being in fourth grade, and they list their reasons. But when they list their reasons, they're using first person I to begin every sentence. So if you look on the screen here, you'll see. I'm just going to read a little bit of it, and you'll see the kind of the flow. I like recess because every day we get a chance to play with our friends from other classes. I have friends that are in other homerooms, so recess is a chance to reunite and have a good time. I usually meet with them by the playground and we decide which game we're going to play. I like to play freeze tag with them at recess. So, with your students who are struggling to write, having them repeat I might be a strategy, but when you feel like your students are ready to venture towards changing up their sentence style, this repetitive I can lower their score for sure. If you notice in that first paragraph, there were four sentences, and all four of them began with I, and all of the sentences in this second paragraph also begin with I. So what it does, the rest of the resource breaks down those two paragraphs sentence by sentence, giving students an opportunity to rewrite those sentences in a way where they're not using I to begin the sentence. So if you look at the exemplar, um, the student circled I every time she saw it in the paragraphs so she could observe how often this style is happening and decide whether or not she needs to change sentence structure. So if you look at the first three sentences we'll look at, the first one says, I like recess because every day we get a chance to play with our friends from other classes. And she changed that to recess is a great time of day to play with friends from other classes. The second one says, I have friends that are in other homerooms, so recess is a chance to reunite and have a good time. And she wrote, people like me know that not all of your friends are in your homeroom, so recess. And she didn't finish the sentence. I'd given her permission to basically get to the main focus of rewriting the beginning of that sentence. And then here's the third example. I usually meet them by the playground and we decide which game we're going to play. And she rewrote that to say the playground is a place where we meet and decide which game. So you notice the the worksheet has all 9 sentences split up so that the students can rewrite them with their own examples and use a different writing style or structure. If you have any questions about this product, please feel free to email me, that teacher from Texas at gmail.com. And you can also find us on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you.